Good morning, welcome, and happy Friday to everybody watching the daily Toggle Video Insight. My name is Jan, I'm the CEO of Toggle, and today we're going to focus on Planet Fitness. Now, to everybody watching this, if you want to see more of these insights, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on toggle.global, where you can also subscribe to Toggle Copilot and try out our daily brief. The focus today, as I mentioned, is on Planet Fitness, and what Toggle is highlighting this morning is that the momentum indicators have turned positive. Now, specifically, here we're looking at the 1 week and the 1 month momentum, and as you already know, what the chart is projecting here is based on these 18 previous occasions when you've had this combination of positive near-term momentum indicators, and actually in this case still positive longer-term 12-month momentum. The stock has tended to go up at least half the time. The subsequent price rise was about just a shade under 6% over the subsequent 1 month. So as you look at it from today, assuming the closing price, we would look for something like 80.6 on the price over a 1 month horizon based on historical paradigm. And if we're to drop below 72.43, then obviously the conclusion is that the odds that this paradigm continues to hold have been greatly diminished. Now, interestingly, looking at the history of the stock price, you can see that this particular configuration really has happened quite a number of times, and this dates back at least for 4.5 years that we've seen this occasional acceleration in the stock price. Finally, going and scrolling all the way back to the end of the insight, you can also see the scatter plot on the right here that we often like to look at to get a sense of the convexity of the trade. In other words, if this paradigm holds, what has historically been the outcome versus the occasions on which it did not hold. And you can see that actually previously, when it did not hold, the downside was reasonably limited, whereas the upside actually occasionally extended really quite substantially beyond even the 10% mark. We've had a couple of occasions here where it was near 30%. So this is all we have to say about Planet Fitness today. In the daily brief, we also discuss an interesting study that has been produced by a number of academics about the luck versus skill in investing. So if you have any interest, please check us out in the daily brief. Otherwise, again, as I mentioned, for a steady diet of these insights, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if not before, we'll talk to you again on Monday. Thanks for your attention.